Umuthe wa uramati wa nyamu cia githaka ukirariririo tariki 3 mweri wa 3 unyititwo ugeni ni giikaro giki gia gukungwira atumia ni itemi riao uramati-ini wa nyamu cia githaka.
Ni turutaga wira wa gukorwo tugi provide security ya nyamu icio. Kwina madagitari aria makoragwo makirigita nyamu icio riria ciarwara. Ni turi ona mapilot aria matwarithagia ndege.
Wanawake wenye wako kwenye lab, kuna wanawake wenye wanafanya research, kuna wanawake wenye ni rangers, wanachunga wanyama wakiwa kwa mbugani kabisa.
Ikundi nyingi na honge cia uramati wa nyamu cikigathiriria na njira nene itemi ria atumia mihango-ini ino.
It can be difficult for women to penetrate just because it's such a male-dominated field, and so I think those are some of the barriers. But I think the more we have events like this, more we'll be able to, influence policy. We'll be able to seek the right partnerships that can really drive the cause.
And so it's really about trying to coalesce, what we're learning in the conservation space and what women are contributing to that, and how we can facilitate those platforms better for women.
Ikundi nyingi cikiuga ni cionete umithio wa gukuruhania atumia tabarira-ini cia uramati wa nyamu.
Kuna programs wanafanya kama si ukulima lakini tunaita kujenga majoruba. Hizi zinaitwa bands ambazo zinasaidia ku restore degraded land.
Tukoretwo na project turamita coexistence farm. Project ino ni tuthomithagia atumia muno mwena wa Mara kuhanda mimera ambayo iko elephant deterrent.
Mugaru na hau kabere kuria atumia aingi mateiguithanitie na maundu ma utaramu wa kiriu, thiku turi atumia ni monekete meyukiriirie.
Tondu taithie hindi aturaruta horo wa operations, atumia nio tutiga command center citu, nio marora technology citu, na ni mahota kumenyerera na kumenya ni atia kwagiriire, because always women are focused.
Zaidi ya hayo, we have over 9 drone pilots who are women, and we also have a lot of women leaders within the organization. Woko tukete haha tondu turamenya the importance of wekera women mbere ni undu wa maundu wa conservation.
Othe magitikaniria ati uramati wa maria maturigiceirie urabatara itemi ria mundu wothe, atumia na arume, kanini na kanene. Itemi ria atumia umenyereri-ini wa nyamu cia githaka ni ria bata, na nikio kigomano giki kimarehete hamwe na anyiti itemi angi niguo makorwo makinorwo ona makinorana niguo kugacirithia mihango ino ya umenyereri wa nyamu cia githaka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi muciĩ-ini munene wa Nairobi, Getu Wangari Maria wa Muigana.